Welcome back, and today's video I am going to be doing a DIY astronaut costume. I decided that this year I'm going to go a little bit more on a space theme. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. Let's get started. Of course we need, hold on, Halloween lights. The first thing you're gonna need, oh my god, is a balloon. And you're gonna blow it as big as your head. So this is gonna be the first step on making the DIY astronaut helmet. Yeah, it survived. You can find this in Home Depot. Basically, it looks like pudding, and it hardens over time, and it creates like a very thick layer, and it's very hard. So what we're gonna do is gonna put a layer on top. Put this on. So we're not going to, this is heavy. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, and now we just need to wait until it dries. So I just finished it and I'll be showing you guys the end result. I made a hole, and it's not popping or anything. It's shrinking up. It's ah. This is the worst thing I ever done. Like, what? 1 second. No. Made the dots where the screws are gonna be. Like, it has to go up, but not really. Okay, so I guess this is how I'm gonna able to breathe and how I'm gonna eat candy, but... Oh, I see. What if I trim this up to here? Let's fix it. This is the helmet, guys. So before it was like bulging out on the top, and now this is like so cool. And like I trimmed it a bit, and like, oh my gosh. And the best part is this thing comes up and it stays up, which is like so amazing. But probably why this thing is coming down, because astronauts, they have like a bottom part. So I'm gonna be making like a chin gear thing. I'm not sure exactly how to make this yet, but I am so in love with this now.
Maybe like a black or like a white shirt, or if you're lucky, have a gray.
Oh, this fits. This fits. This fits. So I made this part done. Now we're just going to put this on the back of the helmet. The silicone max that allow 12 hours before exposing to water. We're not going to be exposing it to any water, so another part of my astronaut costume I'm going to be doing is kind of like a backpack. And the cool thing about this backpack, it's gonna be a lot of like secret pockets and stuff. So I have this. So I finished the entire box of like white paper.
Alright, let's get started. Oh wait, let's put you on a tripod. Hi guys. Welcome. Okay, wait, what? Hi, this is not a joke. Okay, so this is kind of confusing and I totally understand. Like, what? A year later? Honey, is this a joke? I am not kidding. This is exactly 1 year later. Oh wait, no, I did it wrong. Okay, so I'm gonna go from the very beginning. Like, literally the very beginning. So when I started making DIY costumes, I really want to make not just like a normal costume, like a vampire, just put on a red shirt, put on some fangs, put some blood. No, I want to get the most unique costume. I want to go all out. So when I started making this costume, I wanted to make a video. During that time, I was obsessed with the Netflix series Lost in Space. Also, if you haven't seen it, this is literally my favorite. Like, literally, I watched all versions of Lost in Space. I watched the original version, which was, I think, 1970s or 1960s. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like a space adventure that is... They try to make aliens look scary, but at that time, they didn't have special effects. So it looked really funny, but like, I love it. So I searched all over YouTube, and I found one video that was how to make a cosplay astronaut costume. I was so inspired by that video. So whoever made that video, I want to say to that person, thank you so much. And I don't know if I can find that video again, but if I find it, I'm gonna put it link in the description below, because that person makes the coolest astronaut helmet ever. So the first few days, I was literally so excited. I am making a freaking helmet. Little by little, I added pieces by pieces, and one by one, I made a really cool astronaut helmet. This video on the first draft was about 2 hours long. I don't consider myself as a perfectionist, but I do love seeing my work and being satisfied about it. So I wanted to make my videos that I was proud about. However, the first month, I only edited the first 5 minutes. The next month, I took a break. I procrastinated hell a lot. A month after, I was making only Christmas vlogs, which I might post on YouTube later, but I'm not sure because it was a younger version of me. Then earlier this summer, I edited again, and I got actually a lot of things done. The whole video was pretty much done. Then I decided this month to, look back at the astronaut costume, and I did a lot of changes. One part of the video was out of focus, which honestly I feel so sad about, because it was my favorite part. Then I went ahead, I looked for new music, because my other music was copyrighted. And here we are. Hi, I'm back again. My memory card just ran out of storage, so yeah. And yeah, see you guys next time with a new video. Bye! Testing. DIY astronaut costume video. Oh, I think my head grew. How do I fit here before? Oh my god. Costume, yeah. Oh, I love my hair. Okay, I ruined it. Action. Boom. Did I scare you? Oh wait, I should. Ooh, Christmas. Also, a year has passed, and I do want to say I don't have the lights anymore, which is kind of sad, but let's pretend there was. Yeah,